So let's go banjo, ring-a-ling-a-ding-ho. Give a little hoot and a holler. Oh, come on, Chief. Just 'cause you're not sitting up front, that ain't no reason to be a sorehead. Shucks, if it weren't for you, Copper'd never turned into a good hunting dog. Yes, sirree. Now I got me the best 2 dogs there is. Right, Copper? Isn't he something, Chief?
Boy, it's great to be back home, isn't it, Chief? Oh, come on, Chief. You aren't still sore, are you? Hey, come on, let's scuffle. We ain't scuffled in a long time. Come on, Chief, let's have some fun.
Oh, lay off, Copper, you overgrown pup, you. Oh, let go. Dagnabbit, let go, I say.
Okay.
You know that was your trouble on the hunt?
Ah, come on, old-timer. You treat me like a pup, you know that? Well, I think I done real good tracking down them varmints for you.
Smelling and tracking ain't enough. You gotta think nasty.
Okay, I know. I know.